Hello and welcome to another update on Solana. Just a quick update because the market has reacted quite a bit here to this area around the 100% extension. And the question is, have we bottomed? Is there a more substantial low in place? And I have to say, my view is that Solana isn't done correcting. Even though, of course, anything is possible, but we're here to talk about what is probable. And both of these scenarios I shared with you are still possible, also probable. So in the yellow scenario, anyway, the base case, and that's the base case is we are bullish, and the 5-wave move to the upside completed recently, mid-May, when the price hit the $185 level nearly. That would be the 5-wave move up from the April low. We talked about that in previous updates. And now we're likely in a correction. That is not bearish. That's just part of likely a large uptrend. Sometimes pullbacks are shallow, but I'm watching for let's say a normal wave 2 correction, which means we're looking for an A, B, C structure. To the downside, and it's likely not done correcting. So the idea is we have an initial A wave, B wave, and then the C wave could still be unfolding. And then this would be the A wave, and we would get the B and the C. Yeah. However, as I shared with you, just want to shift that over. As I shared with you in the previous update, I had a feeling that we are going to get a bounce a little earlier, and that we're following here this orange pathway, and that this A wave already bottomed. So that seems to be playing out right now. We have an A, B, C structure before going down lower. So the difference between the two scenarios, again, is the same count. It's just that, okay, how long does the A wave get to the downside? Yeah. But the difference is basically, okay, in the orange count, wave A formed the WXY structure because we reached ideal targets for that scenario. And then based on that, we could get an ABC structure to the upside before going down further. In the yellow scenario, that B wave would have been delayed a bit, and we would have said A wave, B wave, and we get a more direct move down. That is still possible, but looks a little less likely right now. Now, in the previous update that I sent through like yesterday, this was communicated, right? The price had just hit this area, this target area at around $162, and the idea was that this is one of the updates I sent through for our gold members on Discord. Where was it? Yeah, but I have the feeling that wave A might have been a WXY structure, so wave A could complete in this region. That's exactly what happened. I mean, it's less about fortune telling or predicting the future. It's more about understanding the proportions, and it just looked less likely like the yellow scenario, yeah. Because educational moment here, the move down did not look impulsive, which ideally it should have been in the C wave. And I can tell based on the microstructure, the proportions and everything. Don't want to get too much into this. But yeah, it seems like some kind of a bounce has started. It's potentially the B wave, which means watch closely for a reaction in the resistance area between $171.92 and $181.90. That's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.